What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Unifi protocol, which has been dropping in value quite a bit. Yes, overall it's up 242%, but if you look at the graph here, it is down over the last couple of hours, very high. So what is going on with the crypto? In yesterday's video guys, last night I did let you guys know it's a very risky investment when it was pumping in value, as it could drop anytime below the $10 mark, and right now it is exactly around the $10 mark and has dropped literally from, let's have a look, nearly hitting $40 all the way down to $10 right now, and has dropped below the $10 mark earlier this morning. So is it a good time to buy the dip right now? Should you wait for it to dip further? Is it still a risky investment? That's what we're going to be looking at into today, and looking at its next target. Where is it heading to next? Is it going to pump up in value? Is it going to drop down? So on and so on. And obviously just giving you guys my predictions, my takes on this crypto, looking at its next target over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. But as you can see, it is still one of the top gainers the last 24 hours, but obviously it's over the 24-hour period rather than the last 10 or 12 hours or whatever it is. So the market is also up over 2% in the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. But before I get into all of that stuff, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So looking at the 24-hour chart, it clearly looks like a pump and dump token. Literally pumps from about $3 all the way up to $41, guys. That is over 10 times, and then literally drops back down a couple of hours later, and even in the last hour it has dropped 4%. I'm expecting it to drop a little bit more because the way it's going right now, it looks like it's going to go back to how it was about 2 to 3 days ago. Over the week, 261% up. Over the month, 180% up. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see here the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 1,473% up in the last 24 hours, making it just under $1.6 billion, which is a huge amount of money that is being traded on Unifi protocol at the moment. When I was recording a video about 12 hours ago, the trading volume was about 575 million, and right now it's gone to 1.5 billion. So yeah, $1 billion in trading volume has gone up in the last 12 hours, which is a massive increase. And I've seen a lot of comments, a lot of DMs telling me that they're on a loss at the moment because they invested into it when it was picking up in value. Guys, if you did watch my video yesterday, I was mentioning it, that it's a very risky investment because it can drop down anytime soon, and that is exactly what's taking place. And obviously I did not invest into it because I knew that this pump here wasn't right. Literally gaining about 500-600% in value over a few hours, it will definitely come back down in value, and it's not a stable coin. So, and that is exactly what's taken place. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I get into that, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we have also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart at the top here, as you can see, which is currently valuing Unifi protocol at $4.22. However, it is trading at much higher value, still at $10.90, which is way above the average value, meaning it's still performing better than expected, but more or less we are going to expect it to drop down in value. So let me zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders. As you can see, we've got the orange line and the blue line looking a little bit bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected over the coming hours. But from now on, there's not going to be major drops because the major drop has already taken place earlier this morning. As you can see, two huge long red candlesticks, meaning major drops, and right now I'm expecting it to drop, but it's going to be a slow and steady drop from now on, nothing huge. So it's going to fluctuate around the $9 to $10 mark over the next, let's say, 2, 3, 4 hours, and then slowly start to drop back down. Towards the end of the day today, we should potentially be below around the $8 to $9 mark, or even lower than that very early tomorrow morning. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still not looking too great. We've got the blue line and the orange line still looking bearish, going in a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming days. So in this case, I'm talking about towards the end of this week and very early next week, we should expect this crypto to be back to around the $5 to $6 mark as of now. But again, if there are any major updates or major news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Unifi protocol, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Now, moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we see here? We've got the blue line and the orange line looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction. However, that is not the case. The only reason why we're saying that is because of the major green candlestick that we saw yesterday. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep going, it's going to keep pumping in value, so on and so on. But yeah, that's not the case. I'm not expecting any major pumps from this crypto anytime soon. More or less, it is going to be fluctuating around the $5 to $6 marks for most of June and July as well. But again, as I mentioned earlier, if there are any updates that can push the value in a positive direction, I will make sure to let you guys know. And obviously, Bitcoin is the crypto that is literally just directing the market in a positive or negative way. So if you guys want regular daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin to show you guys what to expect that specific day from Bitcoin and the whole crypto market, and want to find out what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you guys need to do is simply click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left, because after that it will increase to $29.99. But don't worry, for the first 100 members that join for $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. So what does this chat include? I'm going to be putting you guys into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin, on what to expect, is it moving in a positive, negative direction, and also giving you guys analysis on different cryptocurrencies that you guys ask for. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, if you're ready to sign up, then yes, the link is in the description box down below. Anyways, back to Unifi, what do we have here? So we do have the candlestick pattern chart here. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring up the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. So as you can see, we are currently back into the red zone. So I did mention to you guys yesterday as well, when we were literally going from the red zone all the way up to the top here, I did let you guys know it's very likely over the coming 24 to 48 hours we're going to drop all the way back into the red zone, and that is exactly what's taken place. So right now we are back into the red zone, and 12 hours, it's not even 24 to 48 hours, but 12 hours later we have dropped all the way back down to the red zone, and it's very likely we're gonna stay around the red zone for the next couple of days and weeks as well. We're very unlikely to head back up to the green or even the top zone here. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. Just a quick price update, price prediction on Unifi protocol. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as well. So please keep subscribing to the channel, keep supporting the channel, and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive. I will be doing the 100k subscriber giveaway as soon as I hit it, so please guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.